Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to make some more stickers, but this time we're going to be using a different AI generator. As you can see, we are going to be using Midjourney. Midjourney is another AI generator that I first started using, a little bit more complicated than the other ones that I've used before, but still gives out great output. So what you have here is the midjourney.com. This is where all your photos will be stored in. After you create an image, it will gather the images that they've created, and usually it's 4 at a time, and it'll be stored on here. So when you open to the face page, you got to sign up for midjourney.com, and this will be your account where all your photos get uploaded. As you can see, you have other people's photos that come up in the feed, and just like Bing, you're able to actually find out what kind of prompts that they use, and this is a good way to practice and learn. So you can search through prompts, as you can see here, and it tells you what kind of prompt they use. So the wording is a little bit more complicated, I find, and people make it more intricate, and that's how, again, you learn. And so this is a really good one to try out. As you can see, I've created lots of images. So you go under My Images, and that's where everything will be uploaded. So let's go ahead and see how you can create images. So this is where things get a little bit tricky. So in order to have Midjourney work, you have to open a Discord. So a Discord server is basically a place where a group of people can come and chat and talk about things. So in this particular situation, we're going to use that for us to allow us to do our prompts. Now, these are other people's prompts and work. So Midjourney is not a free program. I think it used to be free, but it's not free anymore. And as you can see, I'm going through each section. This is where you would do your prompts in these little quote unquote rooms. And in order for you to get your own section, you have to pay for something called like Nitro or something like that. And it's $60 a month. It's a lot of money. So Midjourney is not for someone who is trying to do this and learn this on a budget. I don't have that $60 situation. So I'm literally just, it's kind of a unhinged way of doing things. It's not very fluid, but in order for you to get access to Midjourney, you have to get access to your Midjourney library. Then you have to get a Discord in order for you to actually get in to put the prompts in. So I messed up here a little bit, but 1 second. But you see how you can keep seeing other people's photos and you're trying to, it's really, really confusing. I shouldn't say it's so much that it's difficult. It's just a couple more steps and just a different process. So as you can see, in order to do your prompt, you have to put /image prompt, and you put in exactly what you're looking to create. So I said beautiful, whimsical gingerbread house in pink. Now watch what happens. Also, I forgot to add flat illustration, and I think I put of a watercolor, beautiful and whimsical gingerbread house. So I press that. So it's gonna say it's waiting to start. Okay, so it says waiting to start. But like I said, other people's work is being created as well, so it gets kind of confusing. So as you can see, there's lots of people, there's lots of rooms, and at any point in time, people are creating stuff. So you see how mine's quickly jumped and it's actually creating the items right now. So I switched over back to actual midjourney.com where all my images are. And so you can see all the images uploaded here, and it's much easier to view. So I decided to use the search function, and I used my username and searched it. And then I went mentions, and then it gives you mentions again. And you can actually search for the actual item or your actual work that you're looking for. I think that's might be the best option. Otherwise, it really gets too crazy. So this is it in the actual feed. You're going to see how fast it changes. But I'm just showing you what room I'm in. But watch, you're going to say jump to message. So you're going to be right in the message queue. But look how fast it changes when you actually want to look at everything. Because there's a couple you, VVU just means upscale to make it, see, it's crazy. So it's because everybody's in the room. So this is not my favorite to explain, but it's a great image generating software. So what I would suggest to do is go back to Midjourney where all your items are being stored. And I looked at my flat illustrated watercolor beautiful whimsical gingerbread house, and it wasn't giving me what I wanted to do. So I added Christmas gingerbread house in pale pink, and it gave me the exact style that I was looking for. So these are absolutely so cute. And so we're going to take some of those and we're going to create stickers. So I think this is the best way. So here you can copy, download, and this will go right onto your computer. And this is when you would upsize, upscale, make it good quality. Midjourney, you can, anything that you create on Midjourney, you can sell. Because majority of the time you're paying for Midjourney plus Discord, so you can sell those. So here you have all the images that I've created, and we're gonna do some dog gift tags, and we're gonna do some gingerbread. And so you can just create so many variations. And I thought this was super cute. Look at that. So that's the one I'm gonna actually download, and I'm just going to keep looking at what other stuff that I have made here. So lots of cute stuff. I thought these were so super cute. So yeah, so it takes a lot of, learning curve because you have to use so many programs. I know it's probably frustrating for a lot of people, but I think once things get more fine-tuned and AI becomes like so mainstream, it will get better. So now we are going to go into Canva. And of course, when you have the, pro version, you're able to remove the background. So what happened was I removed a lot of the little, holly and stuff like that. So I did have to add that in. And I'm using the pro content and images. I probably could have made this holly myself, but I was like, let's just get this out very quickly. So I was able to make it look a little bit better because during the background removal, it took out some of those pieces. So I'm going to group that together. And there's my corgi here. So now we are just going to upload and make sure we remove the background. And we're going to use print and cut because we're going to be making sticker labels for our Christmas gifts. So we just keep doing all of that. And this is what we have so far. So this is the final. So like in my previous videos, you got to create an outline or else for the stickers, or else it's just going to get all those little jaggedy lines on the Christmas tree, and it's going to look really messy and you're just going to be so annoyed. So you're of course going to go to your favorite tool, edit, offset, and that's 0.186 is good. And then you're going to change it to whatever color that you want. And you got to make sure that you don't move it and you group it. Because if you don't group these items together, it's going to be very difficult when you need to print and cut. So you make sure you group it, and then you can make it bigger and smaller. Again, my images were not upscaled, so I couldn't make them really big. But if you are going to sell these, you definitely need to upscale them, and you definitely need to make them the most highest quality for your customers. So we have everything that we need, and now we are going to do our print and cut. So there I am printing. Very, very cute. So now we are cutting our items on our Cricut Explor Air 2. I can actually link all of these in my bio if you're interested. So here we are, printed and ready to go. So let's put it in my planner. How cute is that? So cute. Very nice. I love it. It's so cute. So I hope this quick tutorial really helped you.